Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So my tutorial today is going to be a Valentine fake bake. So I wanted to make some brownies. So let's get started. So far I have where I got kitchen sponges to do dishes and stuff. I don't want to pick them up and mess my hands all up because as you see I'm quick to make a mess all the time. Y'all know this. So I didn't paint the bottom part of them. I painted just the size of the size. I'm using this brown I got at a Dollar Tree. I just wanted to try it out and see, like, once it dries, how it would look. I like the way it looks so far. So I didn't do the top. I didn't want to waste nobody's time on watching me paint. That's simple. All I did, like I said, was paint around the sides and stuff. I didn't do the bottom and I didn't do the top as well, as you can see. So on the side here, it's going to be a quick tutorial. On the side here, I have some lightweight spackle. I added just a little bit of pink paint, just a little drop. And I wanted to put this on the top part of my little brownies here. And then figure out something else to put on it. I don't know. But I thought they was pretty cool. Just like the way they was. So I can pick it up like this. As you see, I just pulled off the bottom. And I just wanted to put a little bit of spackle on the top here to make them look like they have like some frosting on them. So get some spackle here. And I'm just going over. Let's see if I can do this. I think as long as I hold it. And I'm just gonna like, usually like I put it on with like piping bag. I don't want to put them on. I don't want to put it on with a piping bag though. Just putting it on. Long. It might work if I pick it up. I'm just slowly holding the edges here. That way I can get this on here better. Trying to make sure I cover up my ends real good. Because remember, I didn't feel like painting the whole middle part of the spun. Like, what's the point? You're not going to see it anyway. Okay. So there. See? And then, I don't know what I want to put on it. Just give it a little, like, I like to do this to it because then it makes the cream look a little more realistic. I don't know. Okay, so I have glitter. Is this the pink? Yeah, it's the pink. This is a darker pink. Hold on, guys. I gotta find. I want a lighter pink. Maybe this one would work. It's like a lighter pink. I feel like that one's like a... Alright, so I got that. And then I have these adorable little, I made like, when you have your spackle in your piping bag and then you have some left over. I had these that I had made from that. So I don't know if I want to put one on there or not. And then I have these cute little hearts that I got at... Maybe we can put a pink heart on there. Comes with these too, and that's pretty cool. I don't know if I want to... little heart in it. And then on the second one, I'm gonna try to hold this one. Let's see. Just doing this, putting it on. See, nicely coated on there. Scoop it over. Okay, clean my hands real quick here. Okay, now on this one, move it back over here. Okay, on this one, I'm gonna put white glitter on this one. And there we go. All done. See, that was quick and easy, and we did 2 cute little brownies. So we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think they turned out pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. I told you it was a quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and thank you for all my new subscribers, and please don't forget to keep subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and sorry for all the barking. See you guys next time. Bye bye.